Hello and welcome to day number 49 of our Travel Trader series. Today, as you know, I'm on holiday, so I decided to have a rather lazy day. Didn't do much. Anyway, we went into the market this morning. We put in a new trade that is silver. And silver behaved very, very nicely. We are already up 612 US dollars when I checked it last. So that looks like another great trade. Immediately going up. Very, very good. We have a few updates on other trades. One of them is natural gas. Natural gas is at plus 250 euros. So you remember it was negative for a while. Then it went up into the positive. Now we're staying in the positive, but we're kind of slowly going sideways again. And we hope that we will run up over the next few days and weeks. Next trade is cotton. Cotton doesn't look too good. So we went into the positive and we were up like 300 euro. Now we are up only 138 anymore. It really looks like we are on a turning point. So I put in a protective stop order so that if we should really turn around, we will get stopped out with a minimal profit, and then we will take the money and provide it to another trade where we are making more money out of it, where we have a better opportunity. Another trade that's open is US dollar Canadian dollar. We are currently down roughly 170 euros, so that's one of these going up and down, up and down. Not yet doing what it's supposed to do, but we will still give it some time and we will see how it behaves then. Another trade we had open is US dollar Canadian dollar, and we kind of wanted it to go down, but it decided to rather go up. So now cornered it in, and I want to see if we really want to go up, because we are pretty overbought at the moment, just to make sure that it doesn't run away without our permission. So if it should go in the other direction, we will repair this trade. So I already secured that what we are down at the moment is staying the same, and now we have time to watch how it behaves. If we really continue to go up, we will enter a long position, make our money back. Otherwise, if it drops down, we will enter a short position, making our money back that way. However, right now we're just observing what it does, and we are repairing that. We made actually some money today because we got stopped out in coffee. Going really well. Now we're coming back as well. So we had a very great trade when we got stopped out finally with plus 1,684 euro and 25 cents. So made a bit of money here at the lowest place on earth. And yeah, that's really the update for today. So one new trade in silver. Looking forward to make a lot of money out of that over the next few days. Already started very well. Cashed in some money on coffee, and the other trades are kind of going sideways actually with small profits. And we are looking forward to see them unfold. And I'm now looking forward to go to the lounge and enjoy my evening. Thank you very much for watching. I'll give you another update tomorrow and take you with me on a little journey. So looking forward to that. Have a nice evening and bye bye.